my foodies, welcome. Sugar.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
Sugar tadeke tama. Si egwegwe nzijukira.
Azimatuganyo kwogere.
Toyogere bigambo ebibi wali.
Okay, but that's the reason why.
Sugar nkumanyi nkwegayiridde olwaleero bane tuli ku Tufumbe show si love show, right? Naye nga it's okay to cook with love. Siba mbagamba. The show is probably brought to you by Chiko Omuceere Mix. Mbagamba nnyo okukozesa chiko bwoba oyagala aroma mu fumbiro bwoba ng'onoonya envanga nzito noba nga mmere yonna naye ng'oyagala kamucuzi kali kwesa chiko omucuzi mix abamuseera omusanga bonaona mu butale tera okulaba abakyala nga bamutadde wali ate packaging kati mugimanyi chiko omucuzi mix then bw'oyagala okusuubula ntabula bagamba mugere mu chiko omusuubule. Otherwise, welcome to the show once again. Tuliwa Sugar with her nails. Meanwhile, these ones are shorter. Ochimanyi these ones are shorter nkumanyi?
Anti zino.
Zibeere nezizo.
No, yali ankolera ekite ky'abagole yangamba teri mugulabira nanjala mpanvu. So I decided to do shorter ones. For better, yeah. For richer.
Kati boyfriend wa kati husband wa gaggawa.
Now let me tell you, there's a thing I have in me that I never fail. So chova ambasagala ngame ntino mbulungi ne mububi. Kubanga obite bugenda beerawo. So
mu bulungi ne mu bulungi.
Yeah, and then olulimi lutonzi. So if you say mu bwaga ne mbwavu chegeza, you're already creating the poor version of your marriage, which I'm not willing. Like, I really cannot. The only thing I can is like my skin color. You see, this so
dark color Welcome to Tufumbe. Where Yanjurije Munanga baleba Tufumbe, who is Black Shuga. So what on social media?
Okay. Black Shuga 256, aka Kalodo, amatage Kenya gatafa. Omombe jazarango. Obosolo computer C or side chicks association abasinga muloza chavao chichaliwo
tekisobola kubaawo nga wafuna omusajja
no techingana kugaidinga banange ba side chicks. Yes. Also, just in case my man gets another woman, they'll take the other number nzembe siva ku last born nzenze mbansembayo
Sugar kububali you can allow Sugar in a buba. But Sugar, I can't believe.
I'm a radio and TV personality.
Yeah.
Omuli mamlando za kwasama.
Era mambi bongo ogukola. Yego kuwa decent nkulengere.
Kati no kati sometimes I be there and be like kati over. Omanyi nafuna I got 22 in senior 4. Nefuna 17 in senior 6.
Wow.
Nefuna 9 mu P7. Kati simanyi rachi na bifuna. Because I don't know I passed my physics. I don't know I passed my biology. I should have just studied Kiswahili and English and Luganda.
No, I think naturally you're just... So, live in Kenya? Who do you get that anyway?
But you see
anyway.
My
Hey! So, Sugar, that cooking bit, njagala kumanya oratuka. Sugar, I know you.
You know me.
Never try to ogera no ngamba tosobola kufumbira musajja. You even gave us advice.
I said I cook once in a while. Guys, munkwattinga bubi by the way. Also do as I say, not as I do.
Okay.
But also I said cook once in a while. I'm not willing to be a housewife where you expect me to do breakfast, lunch, and then dinner, and then supper. When you're hungry, there's a certain man who was on social media nagamba ye wakoma wakakusala mwenda or zuka tali amere ya microwave or gena no jifuma musigiri. That is not me. You will be on a wrong note. So when I'm very, very fixed and I cannot cook, we shall eat ordered food. Yes. When I can cook, I will cook. Sometimes I cook with my man. Sometimes
right.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be like that. Like I'm not a housemaid. I'm your woman. Yeah, like I didn't come to do the chores.
So mfumba renjagadde wempulidde nga njagala.
Singa chinkwata nengamba daddy papa lero aje ku kamera kafumbe nga mosonga nino obudde.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sibya kunkaka.
Sicha katala.
Nchitegedde. Kati kitegeeza lero obadde mu mood. No gamba kanfumbira ku mwami. Perfect. So genda mufumbira ki?
I'm gonna do white rice and beef.
This is beautiful. I love the colors. Njega nyo colors.
Yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, cucumber, carrot, tomatoes, white onion.
Kati ogenda mufumbira ki omwami?
White rice and beef.
White rice and beef. Sugar tandika. I can't believe it. Tandika.
So my beef is already on. I'm boiling water for my rice. I'm going to use my rice cooker. For the rice.
For the rice. Yeah. Rice cooker yangu.
No hard work. So
Banange love first of all nyiriza people change. I can't believe this is sugar. Nze mumanyi. So kat what are we doing? To take
birungo because it's supposed to be white. I don't fry, I don't do nothing.
So you're doing boiled, eh?
Then I take salt. Kati akagejje kali nti nno. Ndi mufumbe, I usually know what is enough. Mu kilo y'omuceere tumanyi nti mugendamu ebikopo 4.
Okay. So kati, okay, so akweseza amazzi agokya. So omunyo nga tunateeka mu sugar. Wama yataddemu.
So I'm mixing everything evenly. Period.
So once na while sugar afumbira bbaawe nga tebamukase. Agamba tudde ka.
Kati nze newe nali ewaka. Nga bwemba mbadde ngenda kujjawo eno essowaani. Nonga, my name is Nancy. My real name. Nonga, Nancy jawa essowaani bwenjirekera. No, you let me send myself.
Oh, yeah. So never chakaza na watu wabakanga essowaani zidugala ndeka njazoze encha.
Ebintu sibyoza.
Nabyoza.
Kubanga wali too busy.
Bali too busy ndaba.
Jessica kale because event otherwise
Kana abezera bafumba. Chakaza just a misconception. Bo mutayina mpamvu. It's just a Ugandan.
Now I'll tell you one thing. Teri muntu afugamba nti no yalina enjala mpamvu ng'akola enjala. Takola njala naye agamba wenjala empamvu. Meanwhile, you don't know how much I'm spending doing my nails.
Long nails, kitegeeza nti no ayina enjala empamvu tino abeera tali muyonjo. Kiva ku muntu waliwo abantu nga bali naturally nga bo si bayonjo. Ate oli mutuufu.
I want my beef dark. Era nkozesa dark soy sauce. The fact that the rice is white, at least kind of a ka shade
color. Very true. How would you boil?
I mean, it'll be a boil. What causes them?
Yeah, very true. To kwesa masafu ke nyama. Nyama eba ina masava. Sima iwacha watu wateka buto. Atengo ready nyama masava.
So this is my pepper.
I take a green pepper.
Njasoka green pepper kubanga yalina sente. No yalina kawo. Kati anzemberera ne kafani mufumbiro. Chef wa luxury.
Chef Black Shuga.
Yes sir.
Kale banange tukenegena tumulemu katono nnyo tukomeo tutayine Black Shuga. Black Shuga wa Mama Papa, Black Shuga wa Papa, Amos Lovins. Mugole to be, oba embaga yaddi katujirinde. Wano byenda mukisha njabi bagambe dda. Naye amaye taswala byogera nnyo. Tunonya wato, snatch to wato. So sija bagaba byakozesa. So we munamulaba nga yambadde whatever nga akawoto kali eri nga mumanya abadde busy.
Yeah. Ngana ko tatu wano kiwato.
Shuga tuleke.
Ebyaddala.
Tatu.
Yeah.
Ate ku bugole. Ogenda kwambala gundi nga.
No, tatu yo si ya bugole.
Oh, tatu ya
mukulu, yes.
So yanziza nyo tutegedde. So we're going to go for a short break. Tugenda komawo ne luxury chef waffe Black Shuga. Tulabe ennyama wetuuse oba biyidde agenda bisavinga atya bikyero agenda okuteekamu nze ntakyalabawo ebirungo awo. So anyway tukyali together wano Black Shuga side ze munyonyo temuvaawo. Spark TV Tufumbe show brought to you by Chico Muchuzi Mix Doreen na Sasira. See you later. Okay, welcome back from that short break. Charlie Pena wano Tufumbe show Spark TV. My name is Doreen Sasirandi ne Black Shuga ali busy mu kitchen chef wa luxury. Mwabadde bamwogerera enjala mpanvu tasobola kufumba abagambye ne obango ine enjala enyimpi still. Oyo baba toli buyonjo bikulema. So mulekeraawo ebintu ebyo. So agambye ebirungo agenda byongera mu biri byetwalanye agenda mu break. Yagambye asoka mu green pepper kubanga green pepper ye kuye aina mwaka wowo kusinga
no kuzino pepper zona oli aina
waka wowo. So katali muteka mu red pepper, then tuzeko yellow pepper ate osobola musanga wonna. Then carrots. Ooh, lovely. I love colors. Ne cucumber. Achimali bujose tekanga mu cucumber mu gundi nganzo awo kuteka
magala nnyo mulya it's
Zabwenjita. Omuceere kuyite.
Yeah.
Oh, ne sugar. Sugar ogenda fumba no mukwano. So kati tugenda kusavinga.
So I don't want to.
Rice looks nice.
Yep.
Sugar agenda fumba mukwano.
By the way, when you're looking for a man dodo, you should look for a mugave.
So emba nonyo musajja nga yedde.
Ye omuntu soko omugambe bakuyitani semakula nkututte. Yeah.
Mutiaba
nkututte.
So musajja w'olugave
katende tugende.
So musajja w'olugave agaba sente.
Bagaba munnaye all my friends n'abagave nga kati when I'm serving I would love to serve with a Irish cut usually. Nange manjagala muwa beef. Atagenda kweriga nayo.
Omwanyama mmeke omwanyama nayo batera okuyomba mbabwe bunyama butono obogena mwanyama mmeke.
Ate bachimbanji bala.
Mama muwe alya kote.
Ate amateeka gafuga wano gamanyi. Emmere tesigala ku ssowaani.
Ogirya mpaka.
Yep.
I love that. So bana basajja beerisaliisaako akatono.
Ombulira gy'obadde ogenda okulya ewalala oba gye wasoose okulya. Yes, so
I love it.
Because now why am I cooking? Yet the whole world thinks I'm not cooking. I tell you not to
you don't cook now. You've surprised them. Kakati ate ne kufumbira wengambe kankubira no otalya no lyako kati no mutekwa no kugamba gye yalidde wajagenda okulira. Nange luxury chef wa olwaleero Black Shuga aka
Mchala Amos Ombwat. Yeah, Mchala Sema.
Oh, please. Kendo serving omusajja ojja tukuba love.
But I'm going to change my name.
Mbutu what?
buli wamu social media handles yamunonya mukyala ssebo
bwe bakukyabanga tuddayo
ebe tebigenda beerayo
Black Shuga mukwano sagala kulabanga
mukyala w'abagavi
nakuwa bwisente
side zonna bakuwa era kati gola ne camera ayagala kumpa sente
cameraman
yakubangalira mugavi
ane Shuga tokena kuba luseke lero
siri mukuba luseke he wants to see his man
he wants to give you money
rakwati kati mikono jona jiriwe bati
katagamba Shuga kama
sinabada sawa kwata kwa mkono gumu
ane Shuga mukama manenga tumaliriza kubanga kati gwe manager literally Bambi, thank you for doing a good job.
I'm the manager.
You're the wife. I know literally kubanga be literally echa wife tenachi manya natabamanyi Shuga.
Yes.
Wobera era wabatali womnewunya aliwa mubera bwe mutiyo twins. So you're the wife, the manager. Kakati, what are you doing? Like what should we expect? Ngatumaliriza
a lot. I think inshallah by next year I would want him to stage a concert.
Bambi.
Yeah. By next year he'll be ready.
You'll be ready.
He'll be ready by next year. Yeah.
Yes.
But this one you feel I used to tell people family
Mtunga supporting. Oh yeah.
Because we have been
True.
Now
okay, so here's a project that was released on the 14th. Olimba baluita on Twala. I was the video vixen. No kuyimba naimba munebagano kuntekako featuring Black Shuga saka. Mwankola mutya. Sigwenene simu mwankola mutya. Why take a you will hear us when you play a song.
You in a verse mkulimbolo.
Keka semba yo.
Yimba muna ya yimba
mutu. Na
Shuga nawe support your man. Wamma tuyimbire mule then
just sigali malobozi honestly speaking.
Support your man. Wamma as we wrap up, support your man, Shuga.
The first
Go Shuga, go Shuga.
Tuleka angazi mubi mifute bakugeza kumanza Lero ntwala kano kendi mazewe panja. Lero ntwala. Yes, that's the song.
Mama family yaba.
But there's a song that is a collaboration, but it's also coming.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Family yaba mwatujiride family
And
yaba.
on that collaboration, we're going to do an EP. Yeah. Oh, to call it duo. First, madam, ofuna duo. No, wait. By the serious note, tetwakoma ku chosen blood in the world. Yeah.
So kati tubalinde.
Yeah, we're going to do that. It's going to be a duo.
Tatugenda.
Kawutuma lo yimbo oluyimba nzino nga ndupikako ekigambo.
Nkumanyi nawe. Nkumanyi.
Nga tudde mu studio nga kimanziramu nga ndwasabira.
Nkumanyi.
Yeah, like that. So a lot of projects are coming up.
So yeah.
A lot of projects are coming up thanks to the management, BME, Bulamu Mutuba Events, and Mama Madina, my mother-in-law. Yeah.
Supportive mother-in-law. I love that.
Do you know my mother-in-law sends me upkeep alongside the son? Like, bawangu malo kumpanga naye aga. Bana simanyi naye siri bulungi naye kankutereko waneno akakadde.
Nakwa upkeep wakakadde?
Yeah, you want me to show you a message?
Neda mukwano.
Yeah, I was going to show you.
Nagabolu gave.
Yeah. Kate ne mulamu wange ali Germany nagira nagamba kankuweeyo ku mafuta. Namwita jala nampiriza mafuta emitwalo nga 5. Wendy, thank you, Papa. Okunonda mbanji. Umwamwamu.
Who are you? That dark one.
Yeah.
The beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you, Spark TV. By the way, Spark is those stations. Is a bawange like
crazy.
Tuvula bani stories zange. Mze bana nisobola kutumira kuna kuziba Spark.
Tumira.
Bana kutumidde ko nyo Jowedia. Mwagala nnyo bandijo. Walu Steven bana iba. Nizo butaba malayo.
Tweyanziza Shuga. Bambi mwebale kweyagala you inspire.
Tokala bula lya mikwano naye samusima.
Baneza kamba sibule. Neno nyo musajja owolugave kamba sibule.
Muchibi, cameraman, what are you doing?
Muchibi?